What's the best way to simplify algebra expressions? Have you ever looked at an algebra expression and thought, how do I make sense of this? Simplifying algebraic expressions can seem tricky at first, but it can be straightforward with the right approach. Let's break it down step by step. First, start by combining like terms. Like terms are those that share the same variable raised to the same power. For instance, if you have 3 x's and 7 x's, you can add them together to get 10 x's. This makes the expression clearer and easier to work with. Next, use the distributive property to remove parentheses. The distributive property tells us that when you multiply a term outside parentheses by each term inside, you simplify the expression. For example, if you have 3 times the quantity of x plus 4, you would multiply 3 by both and for to get 3x plus 12. This step helps reveal more like terms that you can combine. Another important step is factoring when possible. Factoring means rewriting an expression as a product of simpler expressions. For example, 6x plus 9 can be factored into 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 3. Factoring can simplify expressions even further and is particularly useful when solving equations. Always remember to apply basic arithmetic operations carefully. Follow the order of operations, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. This order ensures that you simplify accurately. Do not forget to simplify constants and coefficients. Combining numerical values helps reduce complexity. For example, if you have 5 plus 3 minus 2, you can simplify that to 6. Lastly, pay attention to negative signs. When a negative sign is in front of parentheses, make sure to distribute it to each term inside. For instance, if you have a negative sign in front of 2x minus 5, it becomes negative 2x plus 5. By following these steps in order, you can simplify algebraic expressions effectively. This process turns complex expressions into simpler ones that are easier to understand and solve. Simplifying expressions is not just a skill for school. It has practical applications in solving equations, graphing functions, and working with formulas in various fields. Mastering this foundational skill makes further algebraic work much more manageable. So remember to combine like terms, use the distributive property, factor when appropriate, follow the order of operations, simplify constants and coefficients, and handle negative signs carefully. With practice, you will find that simplifying algebraic expressions becomes second nature.